DJI Pocket 2 is integrated with multiple intuitive time-lapse modes that capture unique beauty of life you may never observe in daily life. There are 3 time-lapse modes: motion lapse, hyperlapse, and time-lapse. Here are the detailed instructions on how you can use time-lapse with DJI Pocket 2. As a time-lapse mode exclusive to DJI Pocket 2, motion lapse is the perfect mode to capture landscape. Before shooting, please put Pocket 2 on a stable plane or mount it on a tripod. Swipe left on the touchscreen and enter time-lapse. Select motion lapse. Press the record button and start recording a motion lapse video. If you need to adjust the direction of motion lapse, swipe left again. The default directions are left to right and right to left. After this, you can adjust the tilt angle to achieve an optimal result. Or you can select custom motion, use the virtual joystick, or manually point the camera to set a start point and end point. Once set, go back to the camera view. Tap the down left corner of the touchscreen to set duration and interval time. And DJI Pocket 2 will automatically calculate the length of the video. Press the record button, and DJI Pocket 2 will automatically record a motion lapse video according to the settings and parameters. Hyperlapse is suitable to capture street scenes. Select Hyperlapse and press the record button to start shooting. During recording, you can double tap a subject in the frame to start tracking, or press the function button and hold to lock the gimbal and make it more stabilized. In camera view, tap the down left corner on the touchscreen to set video resolution and speed. After setting the parameters, tap to start recording. After recording is finished, connect DJI Pocket 2 with Mimo app and enable EIS and playback to further stabilize the video. To record a time-lapse video, put DJI Pocket 2 on a stable plane or mount it on a tripod. Select time-lapse, press the record button, and DJI Pocket 2 will start recording. If you want to adjust parameters, tap the down left corner on the touchscreen to set the interval time duration. DJI Pocket 2 will automatically calculate the final length of the video. After settings are done, press the record button and DJI Pocket 2 will start recording a time-lapse video based on the preset parameters.
Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.